Hello guys, bienvenidos al ¿Qué esperar? De la unidad 3 del Interchange Intro. El objetivo de esta unidad es que sepas hablar sobre ciudades, países, nacionalidades e idiomas. Además, hablar sobre la apariencia, personalidad y edad de las personas. Aprende a pronunciar el nombre de las 10 ciudades más grandes del mundo y sus países.
Where are you from? The 10 largest cities in the world. Listen and practice. Cities.
1. Tokyo.
2. Delhi.
3. Shanghai.
4. Mexico City.
5. Mumbai.
6. Sao Paulo.
7. Osaka.
8. Beijing.
9. New York.
10. Cairo.
Countries.
A. Brazil.
B. China.
C. Egypt.
D. India.
E. Japan.
F. Mexico.
G. The U.S.
Conversation. Are you from Rio? Listen and practice.
Are you from Florida, Felipe?
Well, my family is in Florida now, but we're from Brazil originally.
Really? My father is Brazilian, from Rio de Janeiro.
So, is your first language Portuguese?
No, it's English. Are you from Rio?
No, we're not. We're from Sao Paulo.
Escucha nuevamente, esta vez trata de seguir el audio leyendo en voz alta.
Are you from Florida, Felipe?
Well, my family is in Florida now, but we're from Brazil originally.
Really? My father is Brazilian, from Rio de Janeiro.
So, is your first language Portuguese?
No, it's English. Are you from Rio?
No, we're not. We're from Sao Paulo.
Listen to Alexis and Felipe talk to Fernando, Nanami, and Sofia. Check true or false. 1.
So where are you from, Fernando?
I'm from Spain.
Oh, what part of Spain are you from?
I'm from Madrid.
2.
Is your name Japanese, Nanami?
Yes, it is. But I'm from the U.S., from New York.
So you're American.
Yes, I am. But my parents are from Japan originally.
3.
By the way, Alexis, this is Sophia.
Nice to meet you, Sophia. Are you from Brazil too?
No, I'm from Montreal.
So you're Canadian. Is your first language English?
No, it's not. My first language is French.
Grammar focus. Negative statements and yes-no questions with B.
I'm not from Rio.
Are you from Sao Paulo?
Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
You're not late.
Am I early?
Yes, you are. No, you're not.
She's not from Japan.
Is she from the U.S.?
Yes, she is. No, she's not.
He's not from Chile.
Is he from Mexico?
Yes, he is. No, he's not.
It's not English.
Is it French?
Yes, it is. No, it's not.
We're not from China.
Are you from South Korea?
Yes, we are. No, we're not.
You're not early.
Are we late?
Yes, you are. No, you're not.
They're not in India.
Are they in Egypt?
Yes, they are. No, they're not. We're equals we are.
Una vez te sientas listo o lista, practica los siguientes 2 ejercicios.
Pronunciation. Syllable stress. Listen and practice. Notice the syllable stress.
China, Turkey, Brazil, Japan, Canada, Mexico, Malaysia, Morocco.
What is the syllable stress in these words? Add the words to the chart in Part A. Then listen and check.
English. Mexican. Spanish. Honduras. Arabic. Chinese. Korean. Peru.
Esta sección está destinada a que practiques con un compañero o compañera la nacionalidad de estas personas.
Conversation. Who's that? Listen and practice.
Who's that?
She's my sister,
She's really pretty. What's her name?
Madison. We call her Maddie.
Madison. That's a beautiful name. How old is she?
She's 28.
And what's she like? Is she nice?
Well, she's shy, but she's really kind.
And who's that little girl?
That's her daughter Mia. She's 6 years old.
She's cute.
Yes, she is. And she's very smart, too.
Who's that?
She's my sister,
She's really pretty. What's her name?
Madison. We call her Maddie.
Madison. That's a beautiful name. How old is she?
She's 28.
And what's she like? Is she nice?
Well, she's shy, but she's really kind.
And who's that little girl?
That's her daughter Mia. She's 6 years old.
She's cute.
Yes, she is. And she's very smart, too.
Speaking. Numbers and ages. Listen and practice.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 101, 101, 102, 102, 103, 103.
Los siguientes números son particularmente confusos cuando estás iniciando en el idioma. Escucha y practica dónde poner el énfasis correctamente.
13, 30, 14, 40, 15, 50, 16, 60.
Grammar focus. WH questions with be.
What's your name?
My name is Sophia.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks.
Who's that?
She's my sister.
How old is she?
She's 28.
What's she like?
She's very nice.
Who are they?
They're my classmates.
Where are they from?
They're from San Francisco.
What's San Francisco like?
It's very beautiful.
Whose equals who is.
Aplica esta gramática para completar los siguientes 2 ejercicios.
Word power. Describing people. Listen and practice. A.
Pretty.
B.
Handsome.
C.
Good looking.
D.
Talkative.
E.
Friendly.
F.
Kind.
G.
Funny.
H.
Quiet.
I.
Serious.
J.
Shy.
K.
Short.
L.
Tall.
M.
Heavy.
N.
Thin.
Listening. Wow, who's that? Listen to 3 descriptions. Check the 2 correct words for each description. 1.
Wow, who's that?
Who? The tall guy?
No, the very good-looking girl over there.
Oh, that's Nora.
Is she talkative?
No, she isn't. She's really quiet. But she's very nice.
2.
My new classmate's name is Taylor.
Oh, cool. What's Taylor like?
Oh, very funny.
Nice. And is she good looking?
Yes, he is.
He? Is Taylor a guy?
Yes, he is. Sorry.
3.
Who's that short guy over there?
That's my brother, Austin.
He's very talkative.
Yes, he really is.
Is he serious?
Austin? Oh no, but he's really funny.
Para concluir esta unidad, el libro te reenvía a la página número 118, donde puedes practicar algunos ejercicios de comunicación para poner en práctica lo aprendido. Así concluimos con esta lección. Espero que te haya sido útil. Si así lo fue, por favor, apóyame para seguir creando este tipo de contenido, dándole like y suscribiéndote al canal. Hasta la próxima.